Alrighty, welcome back to another fun-filled and exciting episode of It's Easier to Take It Somewhere Else. Some of you may be saying right now, hey, the bug is backwards. You're right, it is. I wound up pushing it out down the driveway and turning it around out in the street. I put it all together, well, not all together, but I put body back on frame, and yesterday, the day before yesterday, the July 3rd, and pushed it out, turned it around, put it back up on the lift, and now I'm separating body from frame again, because I have well, maybe not, this might not matter so much, but this does. So, and there's more down below that. So I got to take everything, mostly everything apart again. Not everything. All right. Let me get cracking. Okay, so this is what we're looking at here. That's the hole that you saw from the inside. I don't know how bad this is. I got to take a wire brush to it. And then we got this one, which I'm hoping is not that bad. I'm gonna have got that to deal with, a little rust. That's what you see as a little rust hole, which is going to turn into a big rust hole. And this is the broken bolt for the running board. How am I going to get up in there? Yeah, well, I didn't think the passenger side was going to be as bad as the driver's side was, but I was wrong. You gotta do what you gotta do, and I do have the the little hole that was in there on the inside, which I think is going to wind up being way more than a little hole. Cool. I'm just going to take a wire brush to this and then pretty much call it a day, because I'm tired. I don't know why. I couldn't wait to work on this. Now I don't want to. Now I don't want to. I'm just tired. Why? I don't know. Just am. Well, that can of worms opened up real fast. Jesus Christmas. Wow. Oh boy. Yeah. Oh boy. What started out as a little hole, $half size hole, yeah, I gotta do some reconstruction here, but that's not happening today. It's an old car. This is better than some of the other bugs I've seen out there. Much better. So I guess it's a good thing. Okie doke. That's it for the day. All right. Welcome back to another fun-filled and exciting episode of It's Easier to Take It Somewhere Else. It's the next day. Come on. Breaking my ball. It's AC day today. Again. Alright, we left off with a lot of work down in here that's needed. And a lot of work in here that's needed. I'm thinking if I can do that side, I can do this side. Okay. think I gotta cut this a bit bigger, at least out to here. Okay, so that's not too bad. That's not too bad at all. All right. I gotta cut this out between here and here. All right. All right. I think. All right, what? I don't know what. I guess one step closer. Not sure what was seen, what was missed. I ran out of battery. Watch it. All right, I took the liberty of making two patch panels. I may be in your way. hot. Yo! The spark went on my butt. Well, the camera ran out of battery. I don't know when. I'm gonna call it a night. I was gonna try and finish this up today, but I'm not. I just have this, and I'm gonna have to probably make that in 2 sections. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe.